Hey everyone, got a new item today. We're going to do an unboxing of the CV Life Eagle Talon 1 6 by 24 30mm LVPO. It's a plain white box, which is okay by me. Well padded. First thing we come to are the instructions regarding the scope or the LVPO. Two-sided. Got everything, shows you your reticle on it, gives you all the information on it, what comes with it, your lens cleaning cloth. We got 2 batteries because it is an illuminated reticle in red. So you got 2 batteries, and you've got the Allen key for your turrets. You got your Allen key for your cantilever. Extra screws, that's never a bad thing. Here's your cantilever. And this is a 30mm. So there it is, nice and solid. One thing I like about CV Life on these is these are solid. They're one piece, with the exception of the rail here. They're one piece. I really like that. That shows quality to me. And then we'll pull out this bad boy. Move the box. Take it out of the plastic. So there we go. That's nice. Got a nice throw lever for moving your magnification. Nice and tight. It is not going to move on you if you're moving around or doing whatever you do. So if you're out in the woods using it for hunting or whatever, it's going to be solid. It's not going to get knocked by a branch real easy. So that's pretty cool. I do a lot of moving, so I like the quality of that part. Got nice lens covers on it to protect those lenses. Let's take out the Allen key so we can work the turret. But before we do that, let's go ahead and put a battery in it. This way we can see the illuminated reticle. There we go. Your reticle settings go 1 through 11, and they're nice and they feel deep. They feel like they really set in there. When you turn it, you really get a good feel for it set. It's not in the middle, lost. It's set in there pretty good. Take a look at this. That is a bright, see if I can get it in there for you guys. There you go. That's a bright reticle. The glass is clear, like you're not even looking through glass. It is nice and clear. Let's check out these turrets for a minute. I showed you the illuminated part. It's nice and good. Let's check out the elevation. So these got a little screw on top. You just loosen it up, pull straight up, and you can turn this. You can feel it. I can actually hear it, and you can feel it. Those are nice and solid, so once you're done, just push it back down. Take your little wrench. I just kind of hand tighten it. I don't over tighten them. And then pull that. Your windage, your right and left, nice and solid too. You can feel it. You definitely, I'm looking at every individual click or mark, and it does it on them. And the marks line up with your dot right here. That's kind of cool for being a budget-friendly LVPO. That's kind of unheard of to hear that. So, because usually the marks don't line up. So your windage and all that is really good. These are half MOAs per click. So it'd be a half MOA at 100 yards, 1/4 inch at 50 yards, and then 1/8 inch at 25 yards, of course. But that's nice and clear. I like this. One thing I did notice too, it's got a nice, good focal ring back here. So you can bring it into focus. That's really cool. It's solid too. So once you set it and put the cap on, it's really gonna stay there. But for being a budget-friendly LVPO, I really do believe this is the way to go. You're not gonna be wrong or do yourself wrong to get one of these. I would actually put this up against an $800,000 Vortex in a heartbeat. This was really good. So do yourself a favor, go get you one. You guys take care. See you later.